If you are a fan of rustic interiors, a rustic bathroom may be just the thing. With its earthy tones and natural textures, a rustic bathroom can create a cozy and inviting ambience in your home. To achieve a rustic bathroom, you can start by selecting a color palette that is inspired by nature. You can then use materials like stone, wood or metal to create a natural, rustic feel in your space. One popular trend in rustic bathroom design is the use of vintage fixtures. Add character and charm to your space, while staying true to the rustic aesthetic. Another popular bathroom design trend is the TikTok bathroom. Started on the social media platform TikTok, creating fun, visual appealing bathroom that is perfect for filming quick clips and videos. The key to designing a TikTok bathroom is to focus on bold colors, unique patterns and eye-catching decor. Think neon lights and funky wallpaper, and quirky artwork to create a space that is perfect for your TikTok filming needs. No matter which design trend you choose, it's essential to have a clear vision of what you want your bathroom to look like. Before you start designing, consider working with professional designer or using online resources to help you create a cohesive and stylish space that meets your needs. Follow us and get more details.